I'm going to start off with this Fit Me, and I'm just minimizing the oils around my eyebrows. And then I'm going to use this Davies eyebrow pencil in the number 003 to line my eyebrows and also go ahead and fill them in. And I'm very light on this. I'm using a Legal Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn to clean up my eyebrows, and I'm using an angled brush. This is the best brush to clean up your eyebrows and not a fluffy brush. Yes, don't use a fluffy brush to clean up your eyebrows. And then I'm just going to spread that concealer all over. For eyeshadow today, I'm going to start off with this yellow color from the Juvias palette eyeshadow palette, and I'm using a fluffy brush to apply that, and I'm concentrating it more around the crease area. After that, I'm going to use this orange from the same Juvias palette, the Zulu by Juvias, and I'm going to apply that slightly below, and then use this color from the same eyeshadow palette. And now moving on to Morphe, I used that color. And then use this Legal Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn to draw my cut crease. I love taking my time drawing my cut crease, because this can mess the whole eyeshadow look. Then I'm going to use this shimmer from the Morphe eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to concentrate it around the area where I did my cut crease. For eyeliner, I'm going to go in with this W7 liquid eyeliner, and for foundation, I'm using the black Opal stick foundation on top of my primer. The primer I used is a Legal matte primer, and this foundation is lighter than my skin color, but I'm going to make a way to make it work, because I don't love looking lighter than my actual skin color. But I know some people love it, but to me I don't love it, because I'm actually lighter on my face than some of my body parts, like my hands. So if I make my face look more and more lighter, I will have that Coca-Cola Fanta kind of situation, which is not so good if you ask me. So I'm actually using my foundation brush to blend that in. To highlight, I'm going to use a Legal Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. And to tone down my foundation, I had to use another foundation, and I used a NYX foundation in the shade Cocoa. After highlighting, I'm going to blend in that, and now I'm going to powder contour, and I'm using Fit Me in the shade 370. And actually this powder just fell down and cracked, so please subscribe. Tell your friend to subscribe. Yeah, ndio nianza kulipwa so that I can be able to buy another powder. So thank you for the subscribers. And now for my lips, I'm going in with this Maybelline Superstay lipstick. I'm going to drop the name on the description box, so be sure to check that. I'm going to create an ombre using this Seductress from Maybelline Superstay. And I'm also going to use this legal metallic orange color. For setting spray, I'm going to use this City Color setting spray, and to highlight I'm using ELF. I love this highlighter a lot. It just makes me love to highlight because it's just awesome. This is the final look, but I felt that I needed to add some powder around my neck area. Yeah, and now I feel like I'm okay now. This is the final look. Thank you so much for watching till this far. You're the true OG. Don't forget to subscribe if you've not, and if you have, thank you so much. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Yeah, and I'll give you more beautiful content. And until next time, bye. Don't forget to share.